Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is your home-based nomad, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kim and I'm a freelancer. I vlog about travel, work from home, tutorials, unboxing, and lifestyle. If you like any of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated of every new uploads. So for today's content, I will be unboxing my new Funko babies which I got online. If you noticed, I haven't really posted any work from home related videos until now. It's because I was really planning to upgrade my work desk before I even launched my work from home videos. So I started looking for some anime action figure which I could display on my workstation. So let's go ahead and unbox them. I got Kurapika and Killua through Intro Toys from Shopee.
人に迷惑がかからない荒野がいいな。お前の断末魔はうるさそうだ。お前たちは一体何を考え、何を感じているんだ。
わかったらゆっくり目を開けて、鏡の俺を見てよく聞け。二度と俺たちの前に汚ねえ面出すな。
And I got Kurapika, Leorio, and Gon through a personal collector I found in an FB group. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Thumbs if you like it, sub if you love it. Peace.